What if I told you, you don't need editing skills anymore to create viral videos? Today I'm showing you how CapCut AI can literally create videos for you, scripts, edits, captions, everything. Welcome back to Nepal Tech Update, your daily source for AI tools, updates, and creator hacks. Nepal Tech AI Update. Subscribe now to never miss a tech update at Nepal Tech Update. CapCut AI Video Creator is an AI-powered tool that turns text into complete videos. You just type your idea, and CapCut handles visuals, music, transitions, and captions automatically. Before AI, you needed hours to edit one video. Now creators can make 10 videos in the same time. That's why CapCut AI is exploding in popularity. This is the most powerful feature. Just write one paragraph, like AI tools for beginners. And CapCut creates a full video with visuals and music. CapCut AI automatically cuts clips, syncs beats, adds transitions, and applies cinematic effects. You don't touch the timeline at all. Captions increase watch time, and CapCut AI does them perfectly. Bold fonts, emojis, highlights, and viral styles automatically. This tool is perfect for YouTubers, TikTok creators, Instagram Reels, small businesses, and beginners who hate editing. CapCut AI won't replace professional editors, but for fast content, it's insanely powerful. If you want speed, consistency, and growth, this is a must-use tool. If you found this useful, like the video, subscribe for daily AI updates, and comment if you want a full CapCut tutorial.